Hey, this is mine and Guy's new YouTube channel. Today we're hiking up Donut Falls and then we're gonna have a picnic. So come along with us. Okay, so we're about halfway right now. It's a pretty short hike. It's a little less than a mile. We stopped at this really pretty spot. Really beautiful. We just stopped to take some photos at this place though, and we're just gonna finish our hike and then go eat some lunch. Okay, we're back out of the fall now. We came down and Kai saw that there was, what was it, a squirrel or a chipmunk? A squirrel was in our lunchbox, but he didn't get anything, but he was peeping his head out, trying to get some food. But we're gonna head back down and probably find a picnic bench to eat on because we're not quite hungry yet. So we decided we'll hike back down a little. But yeah. Okay, we made it down now and we decided to go eat. We decided just to eat our sandwiches in the car because it was kind of busy up there and we didn't want bugs in our food. So yeah. Okay, so we made it back home and then we had some dinner, like late dinner at like 9. And then we played Roblox for the rest of the night, but we forgot to film everything else we did.
But thanks for watching, guys. We're gonna be trying to post videos every Wednesday and Sunday, so watch out for our videos. But yeah, thanks for watching.
Bye.